There are times that you might want to share an eNovativePiano workbook with another teacher. There might be a new teacher at your school who will be taking over your class or teaching another section of it. Or you might be the coordinator of the group piano area and have designed master curricula that you want to share with graduate assistants or adjuncts. Maybe you just want to help another teacher get up and running. Whatever the reason, it is very easy to do. The person that you are sharing with becomes the owner of a new copy of the workbook, and it is completely independent from the original. Here's how you do it. From the dashboard, access your list of workbooks by selecting either of the highlighted links. From the Workbook toolbox, choose Share. If it is a date format workbook, you can choose to share only your lessons, or you can share an exact copy of your workbook with your lessons organized by your date schedule. If it is a unit subject workbook, you can share only the lessons or share an exact copy of the lessons organized into the same units or subjects as your original. You can opt to include your personal resources when sharing. To find another teacher's username, just start typing their name and it will pop up. The workbook will now appear in the New Teachers Workbook list. The shared workbook is owned by the new teacher and they can edit it as needed without it affecting your original.